I'm AJ. I'm the visiting professor at the Department of Computer Science in the University of Sheffield, and I'm also the Director for Digital Data and Technology at Building Digital UK, which is connecting all of the UK with gigabit broadband capabilities. I grew up in South India. I moved to Sheffield to do my master's at the University of Sheffield in advanced computer science and followed on to do a PhD in computer science at the university, where I used the skills I learned at university and in my previous roles in order to apply the AI and data science techniques for the defense of the United Kingdom. The foundations provided to me at the University of Sheffield really gave me the options to choose what I wanted to do and what I was really interested in. Right from the beginning, I was always into artificial intelligence and the application of it to make real-world impact, which is why I was attracted to the defense and security world. It's a great pleasure for me to come back to my university town. One of the highlights is when I launched the University Innovation Concept, the first meeting of which was in the Diamond, where we took the really hard problems to solve in defense and security and gave it to academia to apply that really novel, innovative, creative thinking. That was really eye-opening and good way of showcasing what the impact university research could make to real-world scenarios. The current economy we live in is a digital economy, and we live in a digital world where the adoption of technologies like data science, data analytics, and artificial intelligence is inevitable. It already exists in every part of our life. We need to upskill ourselves, and the students of the University of Sheffield need the right courses in order to be ready for the future. It can often be daunting for students where there's too much choice and it's difficult to decide where one needs to take their career towards. And I think it's really important at the university level to provide the guidance as to how their expectations and what they really want to do matches the career aspirations. So for example, civil service is a fantastic employer which has many thousands of data science jobs, artificial intelligence jobs. If I were to give one piece of advice to a computer science student, that would be get your fundamentals right, which is if you have a solid grounding, whether it's programming languages, data science frameworks, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or even your mathematical foundations. If you have a solid mathematical foundation, if you have a strong programmatic foundation, then it will take you a long way in your career.